Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a galaxy cake. It's so easy. I'm just using buttercream and we're going to get started. Here we go. Alright, we are starting with a chilled and crumb coated cake. I'm going to start with my dominant color. Now my customer asked for purple to be the dominant color, so we're going to do that. And you can always switch up ratios, but I just have some buttercream that I just dyed using the dry dye method, and we're going to put this on as our base coat first. Then we're going to add in our other colors. You will need a cake turntable and an offset spatula. Alright, so we're going to smooth it over this whole cake. Because it's chilled, it is going to harden pretty quickly, so you want to work fast. Then bring it down your sides, smooth it around until you've got the whole thing covered. Okay, I've got it roughly covered. It's okay if there's a couple of white spots. We're going to add more color now. So I'm going to get blue, and I'm going to just add on little spots around the cake like this. I'm not doing too much, but I can go and I can cover up little areas or whatever is necessary. I'll do a little bit on top. I'm also going to add my black. Now I'm going to add a little bit more black than blue because I want it to look a little darker, but not so much that it ruins all the purple, right? Now I'm going to add even less, but I'm still going to add some pink. Just little spots here and there as little accent colors. Okay, we're really going to make this galaxy glow. I still have extra frosting for anything that I need. I've wiped off my spatula, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to run it all the way around. I'm going to do this a couple of times, and as you can see, I'm getting some really cool coloring in here. And I'll go over a couple of times if I have to, which I will, because I need to get the bottom still. With my excess though, I'm just going to wipe it off here in a second because I don't want to start smearing this and covering the purple either. I'm going to do the bottom half and then I'll do touch-ups. If you have a bench scraper, you can use that too. I just didn't think about grabbing it. I should have. And after you make a couple of passes, you can kind of start to see where is going to need more color. See, like we have some dead spots right there. We can put some blue there, a little bit more blue here. A little baby blue and pink here. There's blue and pink on there. And I can keep going across. See how it's going to fix some of those little spots that needed it. Then you'll come to the top and you can just hold your spatula like this, kind of in the center, and swirl it around. It looks really cool as you're making your way from the center to the edge. The nice thing about working with the chilled cake is you can give a decent amount of pressure without rubbing off all of the frosting. So now I'm just going to do my touch-ups, get everything nice and smooth the way I want it. I'll do my final scrape across the top. I think I'm going to add a little bit more pink in here. Yep, I need some more pink, I think, and I need to fill in these gaps at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scrape at the top now. You want a nice clean spatula and you want to clean it between every single time. So I'm going to come to the edge and just pull it right over and come at an angle a little so that it matches up with what I have already swirled on the top. Alright, and then I'm going to clean my board. Though you can use your offset spatula if you want to clean the board. You can use a paper towel depending on how messy it got. You can just go around and kind of scrape it all up like this and then get any left over with a paper towel. That's it. And then any other touch-ups you want to do, I might do a little bit more, but I just want to show you the gist of how to get it covered and done. There's my galaxy cake. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!